CSS Isotek's been involved in subsea power and distribution systems for over 25 years, and we've got a lot of learned experience as part of that. So our experience has really been developed over years of offshore oil and gas experience, and as the markets move, we are moving with them. So DC power systems also have the advantage, both lighter weight and smaller in size, which is helping for us to achieve these greater depths.
We're back in Leeds to meet Paul Hughes, Managing Director of CSS Isotek, and learn more about the modular DC to DC power converter, an innovation that is set to shape the future of subsea electrification.
CSS Isotek provides engineered solutions for subsea and extreme environments. How do you ensure reliability and innovation in such challenging applications?
Okay, so we provide mission critical hardware and software systems. Our main focus is really identifying the customer's requirements. From that, we've got a lot of experience in developing deepwater systems and applying those into robotic solutions. So from our point of view, those challenging applications are quite exciting. Allows us to focus on efficient design and put those techniques and technologies into place. Finally, with robust testing, that allows us to ensure that we've got the right solution for the project.
CSS Isotek is currently developing a modular DC to DC power converter. Can you walk us through the significance of this innovation for the industry?
Yeah, of course. So the offshore industry is moving into deeper water from an exploration and production point of view, and CSS Isotek recognized this trend towards subsea electrification, which is part of the enabler for that move to deep water. So our modular DC-DC power converter will allow the ROVs, the remote operated vehicles, to move to become fully electric. So DC power systems also have the advantage over the alternative AC systems in being both lighter weight and smaller in size, which is helping for us to achieve these greater depths.
What are some of the biggest challenges in high voltage power conversion for ROVs, and how does CSS Isotek address them?
Yeah, so CSS Isotek's been involved in subsea power and distribution systems for over 25 years, and we've got a lot of learned experience as part of that. The biggest challenges come from ensuring the high reliability of these units, and particularly where the environment is very challenging, and also safety is of paramount importance as well. So specifically for ROVs, size and weight is a big concern, and this is something that we need to address through all the stages of engineering and validation, and then ultimately being able to take new technologies and apply them into the products as well as they develop.
How does your team integrate specialty engineering capabilities across projects?
So CSS Isotek and the CSS group, we've got over 100 multidisciplinary engineers from a wide range of backgrounds. Taking them and having an understanding of the detailed requirements of the project, understanding the specifications, and then being able to build a solid team based around those requirements is the way that we approach the project. That allows us not only to develop solid solutions, it also gives our engineers the opportunity to develop themselves as well, and look for learning opportunities and scope for growth within the various projects.
What trends do you see shaping the future of power electronics in the subsea environment, and how is the business looking to lead in those areas?
Okay, the trend for electrification, particularly subsea electrification, is growing in really all areas, and the continued push towards deeper water developments and working in harsh environments, all of that for us requires a level of understanding and experience which we feel CSS Isotek are able to bring to those projects. So our experience has really been developed over years of offshore oil and gas experience. And as the markets move, we are moving with them towards power generation and subsea storage, offshore renewables in particular, and also a focus into subsea robotics and automation, which is an extension of what we currently do for a number of our customers.
What message would you share with clients that require reliable and innovative solutions for extreme environments?
Okay, so the supply of robust subsea control systems, products and software solutions is definitely not easy. CSS Isotek has extensive experience in this, and this is where we can feel that we can apply these into these extreme conditions. My message for potential clients would be to find a partner that can deliver solid solutions into these environments, and somebody that they can work together with to form a long-term relationship that can benefit the project from both sides.
What are your goals for CSS Isotek, and how do you envision the company's role in the subsea environment to evolve over time?
First thing for us is to continue building the strategic partnerships we've got with our existing customers, and continuing to support and develop those products that they've got out in the field, and update and modify those solutions as they need them. The power systems and the DC-DC converters are a key focus for us at CSS Isotek. Moving those into the global ROV manufacturers will help us to evolve that marketplace and be part of this transition towards electrification. We see our capabilities within subsea robotics, control systems and software solutions being a major driver as the market continues to progress, and we see that allowing us to move, if not keep in front of those markets.
Paul, thank you very much for your time. Your insights are invaluable. We appreciate you answering our questions, and we look forward to see how the business progresses towards its evolution, the goals that you've mentioned. So going in this interview.
No problems. Thanks very much.